Hey guys, I'm really excited today because I'm driving off to see the place where I'm going to set up my creative studio. It's going to be for woodwork, metalwork, plastic work and stuff like that. Being educated as an architect and engineer, I know something about how to make a plan, a drawing and organize a project. But I'm not so good in working with my hands, so I would really like to develop those skills. And hopefully this will be a journey where I can share some of my knowledge about how to plan and organize and make drawings, while also I can learn from you guys on YouTube. But back to the space, it's really amazing. I'm really looking forward to see it because it reminds me totally about Storage Wars. So here we are in this silos made of metal. Really looking forward to do this, but it's dirty as hell and needs to be a proper cleaning here. Probably some rebuilding as well, so I hope to be able to show you that.